Good morning, students. Today I am going to start your chapter number 3, that is playing with numbers. Okay, so here I have given two definitions, the definition of factor and multiplier. You can see from the page here. Now, what is factor? A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. I'll explain this with the help of examples. Okay, just first listen. Next is multiple. A number is said to be a multiple of any of its factor. Now here we will understand by taking some example. First I will start with factors. Suppose number 1. Factors of 1. Factors of 1, we have to write those number which can divide this. So the number which can divide 1 is only 1. Okay. Second example, factors of 2. So the factors of 2 are those number which can divide 2, that is 1 and 2, because 1 can divide 2 and 2 can also divide 2. Third example, suppose 3. Which are the numbers which can divide 3? There is only 1 and 3 that can divide 3. So the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Number 4. What are the factors of 4? Factors of 4 are 1, 2, 3 cannot divide 4, so 3 is not a factor. 4 can divide 4, so 4 is a factor. Number 5. What are the factors of 5? Factors of 5 are 1, because 1 can divide 5. 2 is not a factor because 2 cannot divide 5. 3 also cannot divide 5. 4 also cannot divide 5. 5 is a factor because 5 can divide 5. Next, 6. What are the factors of 6? Factors of 6 are 1, 2 because 2 can divide 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 can divide 6. 4 cannot divide 6, 5 cannot divide 6, 6 can divide 6. So these are the factors of 6. Factors of 7. Factors of 7 are 1 and 7 because only these two numbers can divide 7. Factors of 8. Factors of 8 are 1. 1 can divide 8. 2 can divide 8. 3 cannot divide 8. 4 can divide, 5 cannot divide, 6 cannot divide, 7 cannot divide, 8 can divide 8. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So these are the examples I have given on factors. Now come to multiples. Number 1. What are the multiples of 1? So the multiples of 1 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Number 2. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. Multiples never ends. Okay, multiples have no ending, so it will go on continuously. Then multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on. Multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and so on, like this. Same way, multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 and so on. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 and so on. So this is the examples of factors, and these are the factors of multiples. Now I will show you some example here. First example I have written, write all the factors of. We have to write all the factors, and I am taking the number, suppose 24. I will take out the factors of 24. Now factors means the numbers which can divide. Okay, what are the numbers that can divide 24 will be the factors. So 1 can divide 24 because 124 is a 24, so 1 is a factor. 2 is also factor because 2 can divide 24, 2 12s are 24. 3 can divide because 3 8s are 24. 4 can divide because 4 6 are 24. 5 cannot divide 24. 6 can divide 24. 6 is already here, so next after 4 we have next number that can divide 24 will be 6. Next will be this one, this number 8, next 12, next 24. Okay, now one more I will show you, factors of 36. What are the factors of 36? So 1 can divide 36, so 1 is a factor because 136 are 36. 2 is a factor because 2 18s are 36. 3 is a factor because 3 12s are 36. 4 is a factor as 4 9s are 36. 5 is not a factor because 5 cannot divide 36. 6 is a factor because 6 multiplies 6 is 36. So we have got 6 2 times, next number it will come. 7 cannot divide, 8 cannot divide, next 9 can divide 36. Next 12 can divide 36. Next 18 can divide 36. Next 36 can divide 36. So these are the factors of 36. This is the way to find the factors. Next example I will show you how to find the multiples. So multiples, there is no limit of multiples. Multiples are unlimited. We can write unlimited number of multiples, but here we have to find only the first 5 multiples. So that's why see, suppose 7. What are the multiples of 7? So multiples of 7, first multiple will be 7, second multiple 14, third will be 21, fourth multiple 28, fifth multiple 35. You can write the multiplication table. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35. Here given first 5 multiples, so we are writing only 5. Okay, but we can write continuously. Okay, 35, then next 42, then next 49, like this it will carry on. Okay, one more example I will show you. 5, we have to write first 5 multiples. So 5, first multiple is 5, second multiple is 10, third multiple 15, fourth multiple 20, fifth multiple 25. So this is the answer. Okay, and thank you.